It was an emotional day walking through downtown LaGrange. Neighbors try to console each other as they picked up and cleaned up what was left of their homes.
It's hard to talk about. The only thing I can say is bad.
What's on the inside is even worse.
It really surprises me.
In just 2 weeks' time, mold has taken over Harold Ludwig's home and business.
I figured about maybe having to strip out 4 or 5 foot, but it's all the way now. I'm sorry.
Ludwig has been through 3 floods, 93, 01, and now 08. But he says this year's damage was just devastating.
This year it's going to have to be completely stripped. And it's really more than I thought.